Although we've played with AI before by asking it to create art and poetry, we've heard the debates about the legal, moral, and ethical issues with AI-generated content. So, with a strong appreciation for irony, we asked AI to create content on the legal and ethical issues with AI-generated art and writing. Without further ado, here is AI writing on the potential problems of AI writing.
Artificial intelligence has become an increasingly prevalent tool in the creation of art and writing. From AI-generated paintings to computer-generated poetry, the rise of AI-generated art and writing has led to questions about the legal ramifications of this new form of creativity. One of the key legal issues surrounding AI-generated art and writing is the question of copyright. Under current U.S. copyright law, copyright protection is granted to original works of authorship fixed in any tangible medium of expression. This means that in order for a work to be eligible for copyright protection, it must be created by a human author. The question then arises, who owns the copyright in an AI-generated work of art or writing? Some argue that the copyright should be owned by the person who created the AI algorithm, while others argue that the copyright should be owned by the person who owns and operates the AI system. Another legal issue is the question of liability for AI-generated works. If an AI system creates a work that infringes on someone else's copyright or violates someone's rights, who is responsible? Is it the creator of the AI system, the operator of the system, or the system itself? To address these legal issues, some experts suggest that new laws and regulations may need to be developed specifically for AI-generated art and writing. These laws could outline who owns the copyright in AI-generated works, as well as establish liability for any infringement or violations that may occur. There are also ethical considerations to take into account when it comes to AI-generated art and writing. Some argue that these works lack the emotional depth and creativity that can only come from human authors, and that the use of AI in creative fields could lead to the displacement of human artists and writers. Others argue that AI-generated art and writing can be a valuable tool for human creators, helping them to generate new ideas and explore new creative avenues. They also argue that these works can be appreciated on their own merits, regardless of whether or not they were created by a human. In conclusion, the rise of AI-generated art and writing has led to a number of legal and ethical questions that need to be addressed. While the legal issues surrounding copyright and liability are complex, it is clear that new laws and regulations may need to be developed in order to protect the rights of both creators and consumers of AI-generated works. At the same time, it is important to consider the ethical implications of AI in creative fields and to ensure that human creativity and expression are not replaced by machines.
While listening to AI talk about the issues with AI might be amusing, if you're ready to make your technology idea into a reality, visit swansoftwaresolutions.com to schedule a free assessment.